Hi guys, this is Mr. Bennett-Fey doing number 6 and 7 in inserting images. So by now you should have had a little practice of how to give attribution for an image, credit it. So this is number 6. So now we're ready to upload our own image. And just in case it needed to be said, our images must be school appropriate every time that we upload them for a school project. If you have questions about if something's appropriate or not, reach out to your teacher. Okay. So on the do this, it says find an image you're allowed to use and upload it to the project. Make sure the file name follows your naming rules. Okay. Use the image tag to display the images in your website and add an alt attribute. Okay, so we're actually going to use this add image button here. If you want to include a URL from the internet, you can do that too. But I've actually downloaded a picture to my computer. I'll find it now under downloads. This is a picture of my pet. And I've actually never done this before, so it might take a while. Okay, now I think I can exit out. See if it pops up on the left. Yes, okay. There she is. Okay, so we go back to index.html and I need to figure out where I want this. So I think under cats, I'll create another H3 heading so that it fits format. I don't have the cat picture under there because I am doing something weird up here, but you should have the cat picture there. So my dog Harley, I'm going to add the image source equals, and code.org autofills it for me. Here is where if you were copying an image address from the internet, you can do that too. But I think it's valuable for you to learn how to download an image to your computer and then upload it to a web page. So why not try that out? Alt equals sundog. Quotes. Close the tag, she should show up. Oh my goodness. All right, so this will happen every once in a while. And if your image that you're putting in is way too huge, here is what you do. You go after the alt in your image tag, and you add a length equals and a width equals, and keep playing around with those sizes until you get a size that makes sense for your page. So I'm trying out 100. It's too small. See, 300. That's looking better. Maybe even bigger, 400. Nice. I'm happy with that. All right, choose from the following activities. So there are lots of activities here. I looked at these ahead of time, and I'm going to do B, D, F, and G. Let's open up B. So what I expected to happen is that there's an image of balloons, but there's no image. So I don't even know where it's supposed to be. There's no error, which is bad news. Okay, the pink text. All right, this looks like it's supposed to be the balloon stuff. Image source, balloons, not JPEG. I'm looking first off to see if this text matches exactly what's over here, because that's probably the most common thing that will go wrong, but I don't see it. Oh, okay, I think I figured it out. The next thing my eyes went to is make sure that there are quotation marks around both of these things, but there's not a second quotation mark around this. Here we go. That one was a weird one because the pink text in the code like wasn't the stuff that had a problem. So it's kind of weird. All right, D. All right, what I expected to happen is that there's a second Pikachu image. But what happened instead is that there's an alt text, but no image. Okay, Pikachu Game Boy. Here we go. This is what's gone wrong. First, I'm going to make sure that the file name matches what's over here. Game Boy, Game Boy. The B is supposed to be capitalized. What a retro Game Boy. My goodness. Okay, add an image link. Do this. Add an image link for the image gymnast dot. I'm not going to pronounce that. I don't want to start a debate. GIF? What is it? Okay, so this person uploaded a gymnast GIF, and we're going to add it to the web page. Where should we add it? Oh, right above the attribution. Okay. Add my image link in there. Image source equals gymnast.gif alt. I think that description is pretty accurate. Oh, that's pretty cool. Except something went wrong, didn't it? Well, maybe not. Oh, that's interesting. So instead of, this is all the same paragraph actually, and I just put the image inside of the same paragraph. I see that because there's only one set of p tags. And to make the space, they just put 2 line breaks in there. So I'm actually going to change it up. I'm going to get rid of these breaks, even though that makes it look weirder for right now, and then make these two things, make these two things separate paragraphs. So I close this first p tag up here, and then make this one a separate one. Hey! So that way the image tag is actually between 2 paragraphs instead of right in the middle of one. All right. This last one is add a new image. Do this, add an image to the end of this cake recipe. Don't forget to use an add image button and include an image tag of your code. All right, for this one, I'm actually going to show for you to see how to add a URL one. So I'm not going to press this add image, but at the bottom of the recipe, we're going to make space for an image tag. Image source equals, I'm not sure why it says take a selfie. And then we're going to go image hunting. Cake picture. Images. All right, raise your hand if you're getting hungry. Well, I should probably choose one that matches the recipe, right? Looks like a pretty simple, no chocolate in it. I'm going with this one. Copy image address, always. Not copy link address, that's to the website. Copy image address. After image source, we put our quotes, and we put that in. We add an alt, is plain cake, maybe. And we close our tag. We check our work. Oh, all right, same problem. It is huge. So last time I did what, 400, length equals 400, width equals 400. That's better. Nice. That's about perfect. I can't tell if it's too big. 300. Okay. I like it. All right, that is 9.7.